bilang isang mithiin, kundi bilang isang paraan ng ating pamumuhay. At nagsisimula lahat ng ito sa edukasyon. Hindi lamang natin nagtataguyod ang kapayapaan sa ating mga paaralan. Isinusulong din natin ang mga edukasyon na tunay na inklusibo, kung saan ang bawat mag-aaral ay nararamdaman sila ay kabilang, pinahalagahan at ginagalang. Through the Madrasa Education Program of the Department of Education, we continue to ensure that our Muslim learners have access to quality, culturally sensitive and responsive, and Islamic-friendly education. A vital component of this initiative is the integration of what we call the Arabic language and Islamic values education, or ALIVE, into the K-12 curriculum for learners in public and private schools, as well as out-of-school youth and adult learners. Secretary Sani himself has emphasized that the Madrasa Education Program exists so that our Muslim learners will never feel disconnected from their culture, their faith, and their heritage. The department remains committed to delivering quality education while honoring and preserving the rich cultural identity of every Filipino learner. And with that, we also commend the BARM for the implementation of the Islamic Studies and Arabic Language, the ISL program of the BARM MDHT. Our agency is also working closely with the Ministry of Basic Education, Higher and Technical Education of BARM to ensure greater alignment in our basic education policies. Medyo nakakausap na po namin, no? Kasi wala mo namin kausap si Chief Minister, our OIC po. Maraming salamat po, sir. Together, we are strengthening the K-6 teacher development in literacy and numeracy through the Teacher Effectiveness and Competencies Enhancement Project, or tinatawag namin TCEP. We would also like to inform BARM that DepEd has allocated funds for the construction of a building of classrooms in Pugaan Elementary School. Kaya sa ating mga Muslim learners, nais namin ipaabot na bukod sa BARM MDHTE, narito din po ang the Department of Education para sa inyo. Patuloy namin isusulong ang isang sistemang pang-edukasyon na mas inklusibo, mas makatarungan at mas tumutugon sa pangangailangan ng bawat Pilipino. As we celebrate the Sarimanok Festival and the 67th founding anniversary of your beloved province, let us honor the rich history, vibrant heritage, and enduring culture that continue to define the identity of Lanao del Sur. Naway magsilbi itong paalala sa ating lahat na huwag nating kalilimutan ang ating pinanggalingan. Sa halip, gamitin natin ang mga aral at nakaraan upang lalo pang palakasin ang ating pagkakaisa at sama-samang itaguyod ang mas maunlad at mas mapayapang kinabukasan. Napakahalaga ng ating pagdiriwang na ito para sa ating mga kabataan, sapagkat dahil dito natutuklasan ang kwento ng kanilang lalawigan, sa lalim ng kanilang kultura at ang pagmamalaki kakibat ng kanilang pagkakakilanlan. And as we preserve our traditions, let us continue investing in education so that the future generations will not only inherit these wonderful and beautiful celebrations, but will also understand their meaning, cherish their significance, and proudly carry them forward. May Allah continue to bless us in this beautiful province with lasting peace, stronger unity, abundant wisdom, and enduring prosperity. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay ang Lanao del Sur. Mabuhay ang Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Walaikum assalam.